Everyone, in today's video I will show you how to enter DFU mode on your iPhone using the latest iOS version. Before you start, make sure you have a Mac with Firmware or PC, older Mac with iTunes installed, a USB cable to connect your iPhone to the computer. Now let's get started. Connect your iPhone to your computer. If your iPhone appears in Finder or iTunes, eject it so it's no longer connected. Now follow these button presses carefully. Quickly press and release volume up button and volume down button, then hold the side button of your iPhone until the screen goes completely black. After 4 seconds, click on volume down button and side button. Hold it and then continue holding your volume down button until Finder or iPhone Tunes detects your iPhone in DFU mode. At this point, you'll see an option to restore your iPhone. If you need to install a fresh version of iOS, simply restore. And that's it. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.